We have seen definition of earthquake. Now we are seeing the types of earthquake. So four types of earthquake: tectonic, volcanic, collapse, and explosion. Tectonic earthquake are classified into two types: interplate earthquake, intraplate earthquake. Interplate earthquake, these are occur at the boundary between two tectonic plate. Intraplate earthquake, these are occur at interior part of tectonic plate, far from the edges. Earthquakes just don't happen at the edges, but sometimes they can happen into the middle of stable continent also. So this is one animation which shows that movement of tectonics and how the earthquake comes. The most common and occur when earthquake crust plate move against each other. So there are three type of tectonic movement: convergent, where the plate collides; divergent, plate move apart; transform, plate slide over, as you can see in the figures. Volcanic earthquake is a specific type of seismic event caused by the movement of magma or volcanic gases underground. There are three types of volcanic earthquake. Tectonic earthquake caused by the magma forcing upward. Long period earthquake, these are the caused by the water hammer effect of the magma and gases pushing and resonating to the volcanic internal plumbing system. Harmonic tremor, it is caused by the continuous flow of magma. Collapse earthquake is a small scale seismic event caused by a sudden collapse of underground cavern or mine, or localized. Unlike the tectonic earthquake that can be felt across the entire state, these are only usually felt by very close to the collapse site. So when we puncture any aquifer, take out the water from aquifer, and any mine, any underground structure get collapsed, the subsidence can be seen in the ground. In the second animation, you can see the entire settlement, entire structure can go down. So magnitude is a very low magnitude, often 2 to 3. It is caused by the gravity pressure when the roof of underground space can no longer support the weight of the rock or about it, is called caving, and it caves in. Explosion earthquake. Explosion earthquake is a type of seismic event caused by the sudden detonation of high energy chemical or nuclear device. Unlike tectonic earthquake, these are artificial or man-made. Primary cause: detonation of nuclear or chemical devices. Seismograph pattern. They produce a very different type of seismograph pattern so that any other scientist can detect it. And if any other country is detonating the nuclear, so they can detect the seismograph, there is a sudden impulse into the graph which can be seen from the seismograph. Depth is almost at the shallower near to the surface, and this is how they explode the nuclear device at very greater depth at surface also. Damages due to earthquake. We will see the damages. There are two type of damages: primary effects and secondary effects. So primary effects caused by the directly by the shaking. Seismic activity caused collapse of infrastructure, foundation, surface rupture, soil liquefaction that sinks the utilities. It also triggered the landslide, avalanche, destroying the mountain communities and creating flood risks. So secondary cascading damages. The first one is fire, often more destructive than the quake itself. Tsunami. Underwater earthquake displaces the massive volume of water, creating wave that can travel thousands of miles and devastate the coastal infrastructure. Flooding, caused by the failure of dams, levees, and water bodies.